Hello everyone, today let's talk about the TG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and its color is red brown. We also have black color and customer's color. The size is internal diameter is 180 and the external diameter is 220 and the center is 18. This is a very big oil seal. And look, there has with a spring. It is a beautiful oil seal, and this oil seal have many following features. The first one is with longer service life and more wear resistance, vulcanized at low temperature, good abrasion resistance and high temperature resistance, good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and ticking the spring, ticking skeleton. This is spring. And if you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries and we can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.